Here are the 10 repairs that waste money when selling your home. And number 7 is the single biggest trap I see sellers fall into time and time again. Starting off with number 1, full kitchen remodels. So instead of a full tear out, focus on the minor cosmetic updates. Paint existing cabinets with a clean, neutral shade. Swap out dated cabinet hardware for modern matte black or brushed nickel pulls. And upgrade to a sleek new faucet. Those minor updates cost a fraction of a full remodel and deliver a significantly higher return on your investment. Number 2 is replacing an entire roof. I cannot stress this enough. Replacing a roof can easily cost $10,000 to $15,000 or more, but it rarely adds a single dollar to your asking price. Buyers expect a home to have a functional, leak-free roof. It's considered a baseline requirement, not a premium upgrade that drives up value. Unless your roof is actively leaking, missing half of its shingles, or failing an FHA or VA loan inspection, replacing the whole thing before listing is a massive drain on your equity. If a roof is just showing its age, hire a qualified roofer to do a minor tune-up. Have them replace a few damaged shingles, seal flashing around the chimney, and clean off moss or debris. That way, you can provide an inspection report showing that the roof is sound without burning through thousands of dollars in profit. Number 3 is replacing all the flooring throughout the house. Brand new hardwood or premium tile throughout an entire home can quickly cost $10,000 or more. But this is another area where sellers rarely recoup their investment. Just like kitchens, flooring is deeply personal. You might spend thousands on a specifically luxury vinyl plank or a light oak hardwood, only for the buyer to prefer a completely different style or tone. So unless your carpet is severely stained or your hardwood is severely gouged, do not replace it all. Instead, hire a professional carpet cleaning service to deep clean and deodorize existing carpets or use matching rugs to soften high traffic areas. If you have worn hardwood, a simple screen and recoat touch-up is far cheaper than a full tear-out and still gives buyers that clean move-in ready feel. Number 4 is partial fixes that stand out. This one might sound counterintuitive, but it is one of the most common visual mistakes that sellers can make. Replacing just one broken window in a house filled with dated double-hung windows, or replacing a single section of rotted baseboard with brand new bright trim while the rest of the room has aged wood, actually draws negative attention to the old stuff. So when a buyer walks in and sees one brand new element surrounded by aged materials, it creates a harsh visual contrast and highlights everything else in the room that wasn't updated. If you can't afford to make a repair seamless or uniform across a room, it's often better to just leave it alone or handle it via a seller credit at closing. Patchwork repairs scream quick flip to an inspector and make buyers wonder what other shortcuts were taken in the house. Number 5 is repaving or fixing minor cracks in your driveway and walkway. A lot of sellers panic when they see hairline cracks in asphalt or concrete walkways and drop thousands on repaving before they sell. The reality is that concrete and asphalt expand and contract with seasonal freeze-thaw cycles, making minor surface cracks completely normal over time. Homebuyers and inspectors understand that an existing driveway won't look like brand new poured concrete. So unless you have major structural settling, tripping hazards, or sunken slabs that pose a safety risk, do not spend any money on repaving. A simple pressure washing session to remove oil stains, moss, and dirt will make the entire driveway look fresh and clean for under $50. By the way, if you're planning on selling your home soon, I offer a completely free service where I connect you with a top local realtor in your specific market that I personally vet, so you can net the absolute most profit. And if you happen to be selling right here in Buffalo or Western New York, I work as a listing coordinator and marketing manager for a top producing real estate team. And our prep and marketing strategies speak for themselves. For example, we recently brought this lovely home in Amherst to market at $325,000 and sold it for $380,000. That's $55,000 over asking price. And this lovely home in Snyder that we listed at $660,000 and closed for $685,000, giving our sellers $25,000 over their asking price. If you want our team to help you get those same top dollar results for your home, click the link in the description below, fill out the simple form, and let's get in touch. Now let's move on to number 6, expensive, major new landscaping projects. Spending thousands on professional landscaping architecture, custom hardscaping, retaining walls, or planting mature trees before selling almost never yields a positive return. While basic curb appeal matters, buyers rarely calculate the price of a home based on elaborate flower beds or high maintenance gardens. In fact, overly complicated landscaping can actually intimidate buyers who don't want to spend their weekends weeding, pruning, and maintaining custom gardens. Stick to low-cost, high-impact yard maintenance. That entails mowing and edging the lawn, trimming back overgrown bushes so that they don't block windows, pulling visible weeds, and laying down a fresh layer of dark mulch in existing beds. It gives the yard a manicured, clean look for a few $100s instead of thousands. Number 7 is complete bathroom overhauls. Just like full kitchen remodels, complete bathroom tearouts consistently rank near the bottom for return on investment, with average recouped costs hovering around 55 to 60%. Gutting a bathroom to install custom tiled showers, frameless glass enclosures, and high-end double vanities eats up massive capital and delays your timeline to get on the market. Instead of gutting the space, do a simple cosmetic refresh. Regrout or recaulk the tub and shower lines to eliminate mildew stains. Swap out old faucets and shower heads for modern fixtures. Replace an outdated vanity light and hang a fresh, neutral mirror. You'll achieve that clean, modern spa feel at a fraction of the cost. Number 8 is upgrading major HVAC or mechanical systems when they are still functioning. If your furnace, central air unit, or water heater is 15 years old but still operating reliably, replacing it right before listing is usually a waste of money. Buyers expect mechanical systems to work, but installing a brand new $8,000 HVAC unit rarely allows you to raise your asking price by $8,000. Buyers view working heat and air conditioning as basic necessities, not premium features worth paying extra for. So unless a system is actively broken or completely non-functional, keep your cash. Hire a licensed technician to service, clean, and tune up the unit and replace the air filters. Having a documented service receipt showing that the unit was inspected and running properly reassures buyers without draining your equity. Number 9 is converting specialized spaces like garages or bedrooms into niche rooms. Turning a garage into a home gym, or converting a third bedroom into a permanent custom closet system, or building a dedicated home theater might suit your personal lifestyle, but it often hurts your resale value. Most buyers want standard, flexible spaces. They want a functional garage to park their cars and a standard bedroom for children, guests, or home offices. So converting these areas often reduces your total official bedroom count or parking capability on paper, which directly lowers your home market value. If you've converted a room for a niche purpose, spend a little time converting it back to its original layout so that buyers see a versatile space that meets their standard needs. And number 10 is installing expensive, high-tech smart home systems. While smart thermostats and video doorbells are nice touches, going all out with hardwired smart lighting systems, automated window shades, or complex integrated sound systems rarely adds real value to an appraisal. Many buyers actually find overly complex smart home hubs overwhelming or fear tech glitches after they move in. Plus, technology ages quickly, and what was cutting edge 3 years ago might feel outdated today. Stick to basic, user-friendly tech like a standard smart thermostat or a video doorbell that you can leave behind, but skip the thousands in complex home automation systems. Keep your money in your pocket where it belongs. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.